What is up, everyone? This is Evil Neko, and today we are playing some Ratchet and Clank from the PS2. But things might look a little bit different because this is on an emulator. Just the easiest way I can get this game recorded, and I also have it upscaled to 1440p. So we're gonna get started with a new game. I did play a little bit earlier. I wanted to make sure she was actually working. Because for some weird reason, I'm having a problem with PCSX2 where my thumbsticks aren't being properly registered. Where sometimes down and right directions won't input. So I gotta redo all the fucking button options, and this time I got it on a PS4 controller.
Final step, attach robotic ignition system. Thank you for using help desk technology.
Gonna up the in-game volume a little bit. Now, I've always wanted to play the first Ratchet and Clank, which, from what I've seen, this is not a bad game. Though the only Ratchet and Clank game I do have fond memory of is Up Your Arsenal. Up Your Arsenal and Deadlock, which I want to try and get around to playing at some point after this, but we'll see. Because if I can get it to work, I want to go do Malice after this. I gotta say, this game upscaled in 1440p is not horrible. I mean, it could be a hell of a lot worse. Believe me, I've seen worse. This plays, I'm gonna go get my iced tea. Iced tea has been acquired. Now, one thing I would love to see working, if I can, and that is to get it to run at 144 hertz, or 144, without speeding up like a motherfucker.
Welcome to the Gadgetron Help Desk. We are here to offer you advice during your interplanetary travels. The Help Desk is a free service provided by Gadgetron Corporation.
I have these controls inverted. Can I actually change this real quick? I wonder. Something tells me this is not normal. We'll just leave that there. It's not gonna bother us. Though I feel like it might bother someone. There we go. That should be fine. And let's try fast. Oh, beautiful. Okay, cool. Because what this game refers to as normal, to me, is inverted. Because right now I've got my stick going left, or right. Now it's going left, it's going up, it's going down. Okay, perfect. Now, for the record, I know nothing about the story of this game, or hell, really, any story for any of the Ratchet and Clanks, except for Deadlock. Deadlock was probably the furthest game I've ever gotten in the series. Till my little dumbass wrecked the disc, and yeah, now I'm still trying to hunt for a new copy. Though what I might go do, I might go see about running down to my local used game store, see what they got available, because they have a lot of shit. Though, strangely enough, and I don't know if it's just my area that I'm in, or if I'm not looking in the right places, but nobody in my town, like for any used game store, or anyone on Facebook Marketplace or whatever, has a copy of Malice on the PS2. Because I remember back in
You can
2004.
interrupt help desk messages by pressing the triangle.
There we go. So I remember back in 2004, I got a twin game pack from Target. It was Crash Twin Sanity, which I love that game. That game got me introduced to the Crash Bandicoot series, which I do have the Insane Trilogy. I also am considering getting the new one. I think they made Crash 4. I'm tempted to go get that. I just can't remember the name of it. Tempted to get that and do a whole marathon of Crash Bandicoot. And I also do want to involve Twin Sanity. I don't know if Twin Sanity was a good game or not, but hell, it kept my dumbass entertained for hours on end as a kid. So I'm not gonna complain. But in that twin pack with Crash Twin Sanity was the game Malice. And what's weird is I was a dumb little 4-year-old kid. And I was having trouble distinguishing between real and fantasy, which, yeah, probably a very laughable thing, but whatever, I was a dumb little kid. And I got so scared of playing Malice, by the time I got to, I want to say it was like the 4th level, I literally took it out of my PS2, threw the disc, it landed under my radiator, which in my old room at the house I used to live in, had this giant metal radiator. And I just threw the disc straight under there. Never saw the light of day again for 5 or 6 years later when I moved out of that house. And when I found it, I thought, okay, maybe I'll play it again. Because when I found it, I was a little older. Yeah, it turns out I done fucked that game up majorly.
Use your bomb glove. Press the circle button to equip it, and the circle button again to fire. You can also use it in first person.
Now I'm still on the hunt to go find a new copy of it somewhere. Now I probably could go on eBay, but I really don't feel like paying eBay prices and having it shipped. I kind of just want to go find it at a game store. Odds of me finding it are probably very slim, given that everyone I've asked about it has never heard of the game. So I'm not surprised. Now the box art I find on Google, at least last I looked, that I really didn't look hard enough, was a completely different box art from what I remember.
Whenever you sustain injury,
If I feel like during the editing process of this video, I might throw in the 2 box arts I'm thinking of. But we'll see. So back to Ratchet and Clank. So got off that topic. I don't know the whole premise of this game. All I know is Clank is probably somewhere around here. I think he's right here. I forgot I actually changed share to the select button on this controller. Because I'm sorry, Sony, that's the only problem I have with your PS4 controllers. Is why the fuck is the share button not the select button? And why is the touchpad the select button? And not be the share button? Or some other combination of button? That to me makes no sense. I kind of hope it's fixed on the PS5, but I'm not buying the PS5 yet. There's only 2 games.
Handy with your wrench.
You bet. I built that ship with it.
Currently, I'm in search of someone who could be of assistance in saving the solar system. Do you know where I might find that fellow?
Well, he's on the radio every week. Other than that, no. Hey, what's with all this save the solar system stuff anyway?
Hello, citizens of... My race, the Blog, have a small problem. Our planet has become so polluted, overpopulated, and poisonous that we are no longer able to dwell here. But I, Chairman Drek, have a solution. We are constructing a pristine new world using the choicest planetary components available. So, what does this mean to you, you might ask? Using highly sophisticated technology, which you couldn't possibly understand, we will be extracting a large portion of your planet and adding it to our new one. Unfortunately, this change in mass will cause your planet to spin out of control and drift into the sun, where it will explode into a flaming ball of gas. But, of course, sacrifices must be made. Thank you for your cooperation.
Cut!
And if you don't like it, you can take your whiny, sniveling, snot-nosed populations, form a line behind me, and kiss my... We're still on? Well, turn it off, you idiot!
The people on those planets are hosed. Well, good luck getting Captain Quark to help you.
Actually, you could help me. If you could use your ship to take me to the coordinates contained in this infobot, I might be able to gather further information there.
Even if I wanted to, I can't. I'm missing a crucial component of the ship.
The robotic ignition system.
How did you know that?
I, sir, happen to be equipped with the latest in robotic ignition systems. My programming allows me to start any ship I choose.
So, I agree to take you to this, wherever it is, and you get my ship started for me?
That is what I'm proposing.
Deal.
This could be a problem. Take care of it.
Why does he sound so familiar?
Whoa, this is great!
I've heard that voice so much
So
before.
that's where I've been stuck this whole time.
Please return your appendages to the steering mechanism, sir.
Huh? Oh, right. Sorry. Oh, and by the way, you can stop calling me sir. The name's Ratchet.
Pleased to make your acquaintance, sir.
You got a name?
My serial number is V54296.
Oops. I'll just call you Clank for short. Hang on.
So you see, it would be most beneficial if your citizens were not in the city when my workers begin removing it.
Preposterous! I will not stand for this.
Unfortunately, you have no choice in the matter.
Let's just see what Captain Quark has to say about that, my good man. I don't see what's so funny. Captain Quark could dispatch you without even breaking a sweat, you puny...
You have now officially worn out your welcome and my patience.
This is your last chance. Stop this madness now!
Okay, wait. You're right. I will withdraw my troops.
Really?
No! He's all yours, gentlemen. Try not to leave any marks.
Clank? Where are you? Oh, sorry about that. Well, we're not leaving the way we came in.
Perhaps we could procure a ship from one of the inhabitants.
If there are any left.
Alright, so assuming my other laptop will stop being retarded, I will look up who this guy is later and probably throw the face in if I'm not lazy. Okay, where the fuck am I? I'm clearly somewhere. I don't know where. And something tells me those check marks are important. Missions, find new ship, explore... Okay, yep, I figured. Infobot.
Hello, citizens.
Oh, okay. I don't care enough. But real quick... Quick select. Oh, shit! Okay, that is interesting. I don't have any items. Alright, so options... it's... Help desk. What? Okay. Save, loads, sounds. So we get camera, put it there, subtitles. There we go. On. The fuck? Okay then. And then we got quick game, which I'm not doing right now. Yay, more bomb glove ammo. Sweet. Okay.
Fuzzball.
Wait, what the fuck?
I got some great bargains for you today.
When did you go away, man? Why can't we have this guy in the other games?
Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, that's a nice one.
I just like his voice. Alright, so I don't have enough shit for that. Wait. Oh, fuck. I wasn't done up there. Can I go back up there? I wasn't done. Alright, so here's the... I'm guessing the waterway. Yeah. So where do I even go? Okay. So find new ship is not through the waterway. These waterworks. Oh, why did I say waterworks? Why am I saying waterway? These waterworks are one of the things Dirk plans to steal from this planet. You should search them thoroughly before they're ripped from the planet. Thanks to your stellar piloting, you're stranded without a ship. Okay, so fuck it, we're going through the waterworks. At least in this game, single jumping actually kind of makes sense. So once I get enough scrap, salvage, whatever the fuck it's called in this game, 'cause I don't remember or fully know. I get that that pyromancer gun. Oh, that actually kills you. Oh, he went boom. I don't need help right now. Though I would love to find a way to get more of it, though. I was watching, which you probably actually saw a little bit of it when I increased my volume. Watching Game Champ 3000 do a wrench-only approach to this game. And he had, I think, like 8 things of health. I don't remember how, I don't know how he did that, but I kind of want to find out how. What the fuck is the point of this thing? I think I might know the point of it now, but I'm not 100%. What the fuck? Oh shit. Ah, fuck it. More bolts! Another shit. Ooh, shiny. Ah, fuck. That was trippy. Oh, wait a minute. Wait, what? I don't understand this part, so I think this part was just purely optional. But I could be wrong. I mean, I see a door over there, but I don't know where the fuck it goes to. I know one way to find out. So I don't want to go in the direction where I want to. Damn it.
Look, plumber's crack.
What did you just say?
I said, look, the plumber's back.
All right, wise guy. Shouldn't you be on one of them escape transports?
Escape transports?
Newsflash, giant robots attacking. The escape transports are taking all the rich folks off this god-darn planet.
So why aren't you on one?
Socioeconomic disparity.
What?
He hasn't got enough bolts.
Working people have to wait for Captain Quark to save us.
Well, got anything worth a lot of bolts?
I got this thing. Shows two weirdos ditching their ship. It's got coordinates to a desert planet, too.
An infobot. Ratchet, we could use that.
Fuck it.
Geronimo!
Did he just slide down a sewer pipe?
Yes. Yes, he did.
Mayday, mayday! This is the solar ship Radical. We seem to be under attack from the planet's surface.
Relax, kid. It looks like some sort of fireworks display. Probably in your honor.
Whoa! That was close! Ah!
Pipe down, I can't concentrate.
Oh, we've been hit!
An unexpected detour. When we land, I'll see if I can scare up an exhibition for you.
We're not gonna live that long!
Kid, let's M-screen!
Eject! Eject!
Did you see that guy on the left? That was Skid McMarks.
Does he know Captain Quark?
I doubt it. He's a pro hoverboarder, always going off about how cool he is.
Looks like he's in trouble.
I'll say, I've never seen him look so freaked out.
Gadgetron infobots give you coordinates for new planets. Now that you have the infobot for planet Iridia, you'll need to find a ship to get there.
Okay, cool. So it was a good decision to come here first. I keep forgetting I don't need glove, or I don't need bomb glove ammo. I feel like that...
To enter
Yep,
look around
that was right.
mode,
That's the
press
type
and
of where
hold the L1
I need to
button.
go. Little green thing, I think you're having a problem there, buddy. Also, if I'm gonna be honest, I kind of wish Insomniac would actually, unless they already did, and I haven't caught wind of it yet because of one reason or another, or some stupid shit. But I kind of wish they would do an I kind of wish they would do an HD. Yeah, fuck the hell. My bad. Kind of wish they would do an HD remake of all the previous Ratchet and Clanks from the PSP and the PS2. The only PSP title I'm aware of from Ratchet and Clank is I think size matters, but I think that's a more buggier version. I can't remember. But I gotta admit though, I've missed out on a lot of good shit back in the day. Damn it. There we go. I also actually kind of like how, at least with this weapon, it homes onto the enemy. At least a little bit. Fucking going. Apparently not. Well. That was a little overkill. But I will gladly take some more bullets. Okay, I thought I could do some of the abilities that you get up your arsenal. So it kind of makes sense to not have them right now. Eat my explosive, bitch. Did I just get it? Did I just not get health? Hey. Can you please cease to exist? Thank you. That looks important. Oh! Didn't know that's a thing. That's actually kind of cool. Also, what the fuck even is Ratchet supposed to be? Because his feet look kind of weird. I want to say part Fox, but I feel like I could be wrong. What the fuck is Ratchet? Goodbye. You shall now cease to exist. But I do wonder. Nope, I'm just getting pushed back. I mean, that would kind of make sense. It's running in one direction for a reason, probably. And why do I feel like that's gonna be destroyed? I don't know. We'll find out one way or another. Oh no, you blew apart my bridge. How will I ever get across now? Oh shit. Ow, you fucking asshole. You eat a bomb. You eat a bomb because you like throwing them, but you don't like eating them. You eat a bomb. You eat a bomb. You eat a bomb. Ow, I do not want to eat your bomb. I'll take this though. What is it? Oh, that's right. This is just like more bolts and shit, which I'm not gonna turn down, honestly. I'll happily take everything I can get my hands on. Come here, you little bats. Or whatever the fuck these things are. Hey, asshole. You can look, but you can't bite. I have a strict no biting policy on specific areas. Why do I feel like this is where cutscene's supposed to be? Yep, cutscene. Dick. You robo dick. Suck my explosives.
Don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. Oh,
but I want to hurt you.
Mercenaries, torturers, assassins. I'll tell you anything. Here, take my infobot. It's all I've got left.
Sir, we're not assassins.
Hold on. Let's see what he's got.
Has this ever happened to you? Hi, I'm Captain Quark, and believe me, there's nothing worse than staring down a Blargian snagglebeast from the inside and knowing your equipment isn't functioning properly. That's why I come to Al's Robo Shack for all my electronic needs. Al has been the exclusive repair shop for my super electro gadgets since I was knee-high to a sand mouse. If Al can't fix it, it's not broke. Right, Al? You said it, pal. So if you're fighting crime, or just fighting grime, come to Al's RoboShack in Metropolis for all your robotic repairs. Al's RoboShack, it's Quark-tastic!
Well,
Do
that
you know what this
explains him in
means?
Deadlock.
Yeah, Captain Quark is really sold out.
No, it means Captain Quark is on Metropolis. We could tell him about this invasion.
If we had a ship.
What? A ship? What? You're not going to torture me? Well, as planetary chairman, I could arrange for you to borrow our courier ship.
Cool.
You can count on us, sir.
Right. Thank you, your chairman shipliness.
Now that you have coordinates to 2 new planets, you can use your ship. Press the select button to bring up the map. Your ship is marked with a star.
Oh, dope. So, but right now, I want to go get as much fault as I can get first. And that means... Oh, come here, you little bots. I will be taking that. And I cannot say no to free ammo. And like that, I'm out of here. Before I get zapped by a robo bitch. You can't go wrong with having free money and free ammo. Unless it's covered in sticky shit. And someone's behind. What game am I thinking of now? I don't know. I've played a handful of weird ass shit, but I can't think of a game that is that specific on on where you can get ammo from.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Fuck yeah. I have a gun! Ooh! It's a flamethrower! Oh, this is gonna be fun. Where's your next? Metropolis. Wait, what? Outpost X11. Wasn't I just here? And I went to here. What to do first? Well, we'll figure that out in the next episode because I'm gonna call this right here. So I will see you guys in the next episode where we'll probably take care of the Outpost X11, Iridia, find that Skid guy, whoever the fuck he is. Get that done and taken care of, then we're gonna go to Metropolis, either in that same episode or the day episode after that. I haven't really decided yet. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go try to get a handful of things situated and set up properly for some more LPs because there's 2 other games I want to start cracking. One good, one bad. Gotta get some things figured out. But I will see you all in the next episode.